Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rosemary Renders, and on today's video I am going to complete the tutorial on the green background that I started just last Wednesday. I thought of after that Wednesday I'm going to go into makeup, as my usual stuff, but I found out that quite a number of people, they love it, and quite a number of people, they want to know more details about that. So I decided that it's better I do the tutorial, finish it up, and go into more details to explain how everything works and what you need to do in case you're using your phone, because practically if you have a good phone, you can use your phone to do your thing without going into laptop and all that. So without so much explanation, I'm going to go into that. Before that, if you've not subscribed to my channel, why don't you consider clicking on that button right down there, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to notify you each time I post a new video. So let's hop into that. Okay, as you can see, I'm wearing green clothes. I don't know if it's exactly but I'm going to use it to do some experiment and see if it works or not. But the bottom line here is that I am going to show you guys how you're going to edit it. Even if you're in Nigeria during a summer period, you can tell them that you're in England or somewhere where it's snowing. That is the whole idea. You can change your background, you can fix it however you want it, you can you can just play with it. So that is the key points today. So, and afterwards I'm going to tell you what you can download on your phone in order to to work on your phone to get whatever you want. Okay, I'm going to start it. If you want to see that, just stick around to the end. Okay, I'll catch you. Alright guys, before I go ahead to explain this green background thing, I will suggest, if you have been struggling to record something on your screen, or you have been trying to work on something using your phone so that you'll be able to capture it, I will say do not worry anymore. I have a code for you. Just download Screen Recorder. Okay, Screen Recorder is the easiest and quickest way you can record something on your screen while you are working on while you're working with your phone. It will be recording whatever you're doing. Then you can either you want to send it to somebody, or you want to use it to do a tutorial, you want to use it at whatever you want to use it for. A Screen Recorder will do the job for you. Okay, that is one. Then we are going to go into the green background tutorial. Here, as you all can see, I have my KineMaster, and it's the same thing as every other editing application. Okay, so if you're using InShot, if you're using Filmora Go, all of them are the same. Just locate your menu. Okay, now I'm going to create our canvas. I'm using 16.9, which is YouTube standard canvas. When I get that, I'm going to create my green background. Okay, I'm using the green. Then, because I have edited the video already, which every other person can edit, when you make a video you are going to record it, I have done mine already. So what do I do here? I am going to go to the media, then I will go to the layer, then to the media. I'm going to import that video that I've already edited, okay, which is this one. This is my green background that I have done. I'm going to make it full on the screen. Then don't forget to align it. Don't forget align the video with your background. So it's done. So when this is done, you just click on the video, not the background. You go to your chroma key, enable it. When you enable it, you can see that the background is white. All you need to achieve here is the background. Make sure that the background, every other thing is black except you. So here, as you can see, it's already on show mark. If it's not showing on the show mark, make sure you go ahead and click on the show mark. You can see me now, and you click on it because you want to work on that. You're trying to achieve a very black background. Okay, and every other thing will be me which is white. Make sure that you are the one that will be white. Every other thing, for example, on your face, if you see any black dot, try as much as possible to correct it, because when you're done, what you'll be seeing there is that black dot on my nose there, it will be green. Okay, so you have to make sure you achieve a white hue. Let me use that. Okay, so what I'm trying to explain now, if you see this, okay, there is a dot on my nose there. I'm going to show you example. You go ahead and said, okay, if you watch closely, you will see like as if there is a green stuff on my nose. Okay, so I'm going to adjust that. I'm going to make sure that that is adjusted. I'll go back to chroma key. I'll make sure that my face is purely white. And I'm trying to avoid any shadow by my side when I'm done with this. Okay, I'm going to leave it this way, and I will go back and say, okay, so as you can see, this is done. I am going to export it. We're going to go back and create another canvas, okay, by going to our menu 16.9. so we're going to use our desired background, whatever we want to use. I'm not going to use the ones that came with the phone. I have my background already. Remember, I told you I visited White House, so that is where I'm going to be operating. Okay, so this is my background I'm going to use, and this is here. I am going to be in US today. All right, so I will go ahead to import the video that I just exported from my export. Okay, this is the video here, and remember the background of my my White House. Look at the two sides of this video apart from my own. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. Look at this picture very close. You can see two sides here are dark. So what do? You are going to adjust it, make it to be a fuller screen. You click on here. You have to drag it, push it forward. Make sure the two sides are filled up. That is it. So you go here and click if you're using KineMaster, you go here and click this like equal, okay, and you go back to import your video. Here we have this. Okay, so what you do is to make it full on the screen, and you go ahead to align the background with the video. So when you align this with the video, what you do, you click on the video itself, go to chroma key. When you're on the chroma key, you enable it and you click OK. So as you can see, this is me. So what I'm trying to experiment here is that when you wear green on a green background, that part that is green on you is going to disappear. So what I'm trying to achieve there is to tell you that when you are wearing green on a green background, you will see after when you want to move it to your desired background, that part you are wearing green is going to disappear. So you will not be seeing that, you know, because I'm wearing that green and it's not exactly the green that you are seeing at the background. Most of them you cannot see. So we are going to watch this. After this one, we move ahead to the next picture to the next video that I did wearing another clothes. Okay, hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, so my name is Rosemary, as you can see, and on today's video you are seeing the White House tutorial on the green background that I started just last Wednesday. I thought of, after that Wednesday, I'm going to go into makeup, you know, as my usual stuff. But I found out that quite a number of people, they love it. So guys, as you can see the White House through me. You can see the flower at the background through me, everything through me. Why I did not disappear fully is because the green I'm wearing does not actually match the background. If not, you will not be seeing anything. What you'll be seeing is only my hand and my face, you know, and my head. So this is to tell you that wearing green on a grey background will not work. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to import another video that I have edited already, but I'm also using the green background, and I'm wearing another clothes with the same introduction. So we will see how this works. Okay, so we go back to our layers and we go to the media, and because I've edited it before I exported it, so I'm going to import it. I go for this is the video, so I have to align it. So go to your click on your background and align it with your video that you just imported. Okay, yeah, and you come here, drag this, make sure that it's on the same line. It doesn't really make, but I just want to make it to be on the same line so that I will not have layers of videos. Okay, as you all can see, so I'm going to make it on a fuller screen. Okay, and I will go to chroma key, enable. Is white already, so I'm going to make the background so black that the white thing you'll be seeing is only me. Okay, so as you can see, so here I will say okay. So I'm going to adjust this in order for you to see that I'm actually in US soil. Okay, we have to put it, I will let it to be here. Okay, this is it, and you will see what I'm talking about, the transparency, the shadows and all that. Okay, this is the green dress on a green background, and this is me on another cloth standing on the same place. Hello my lovely people, you all are welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosemary Renders, and on today's video, without taking so much of our time, I am going to go straight to the point. So as you all can see the green background again, we are still on the green background matter. I found out that a lot of people found the last video that I did interesting, and some people really want to know more details about it, on how to go about it and all that. So I took it upon myself to do the second video in order to expatiate it more. So I am bringing it to you today to tell you how you... So guys, so what I'm trying to achieve here is for the green cloth on a green background, or green whatever on a green background, and something that is not green. And again, how you can edit it, how you can achieve your editing using this green background. As you all can see, me wearing green clothes does not really work on the green background, which you can see through me, the White House and the flowers and what have you. And this is another clothes I'm doing. You can see me clearly with the picture, everything is perfect. And going forward, if you want to edit your using green background to edit your video. You have seen what I just did. You first of all edit your video, export it, then come back and create another canvas. When you create the canvas, go to the picture that you just exported, import it, then work on it on a chroma key by adjusting the background to be black, and any other thing standing by that is white is going to be you. And if you see any dark dot on that white thing, know that is that color that you are trying to achieve. So if you achieve it and leave that place, when you achieve it and leave that place, you are that black dot is going to be a green color. Okay, try as much as possible to clean it, make it to be white, and every other thing is black, so that you'll be able to achieve without any shadow. So I am going to bring in a short clip that I made and went the live. I am going to bring it in, and I'm going to show you what I'm trying to say here, that try as much as possible to avoid any green shadow by your side, because if you did not edit it very well, when you are talking, or when you are done editing that video, you're going to see that a green shadow. Okay, so here I'm going to import the video direct. I'll go here and I will go to this place, okay, because I don't want it to be on the same background. All right, so I am going to play it for you to see what I'm talking about. Just take close look, okay, when I move my hand into that. Hello everyone, you all are welcome back to my channel. How are you? Even around my clothes, just look at the other side. You have kind of false colors of trees. Look at myself very closely, you see shadows there. The reason for this is because I did not correct it very well. I did not edit it using that of chroma key to achieve the darkness of the background and be only white. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is that when you're editing, make sure that the only thing standing by white is you, and try as much as possible to take out any dark spot on yourself when you are white. Okay, so this is basically the. Hello guys, what's your take on this video? If you like it, why don't you go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video to your loved ones, to your fellow content creators, to your family. You never know who might need it. So thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you all. I do really appreciate you all. Thank you, and I will catch you up again in my next video. But before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you once again, and bye bye for now.